right away. Makeup! Craft services. We'll break for lunch after we get this shot. Roll sound.
Sound speed?
Here we go. Roll camera.
Can we mark this, please? Universal Animal Actors opening. Take one. Lights. Camera. And action.
Live from Universal Studios Hollywood, welcome to Universal's Animal Actors.
Hi, I'm Amanda Hernandez, and I'm a trainer here at Universal Studios Hollywood. This is my friend Baxter. He's in the movie Doggone and Clifford the Big Red Dog. I started my career in this industry with a degree in marine science and veterinary technology.
Hernandez.
Good afternoon, everyone! Welcome to Universal's Animal Actors. My name's Amanda, and this is my friend Manu. And we both work for a company that's been training animals for movies and television for over 50 years.